ScruffPack, what it do? Scruffy Wolf here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be playing Ratchet and Clank, the 2016 version that is also, I believe, remade from the movie. I still haven't figured out the answer to that question yet. I should probably Google it. Not the point. Part 2 today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go ahead and get the show started. Find someone who
Wait
to
a
help.
second. Is that raritanium? Maybe we should upgrade our weapons first.
Alright, so last time we played, as you guys know, we did a little, it was a little, you know, origin story. Well, so far this whole thing is an origin story, but, we went to, we had a, what the fuck did we do? Oh, we had a tryout. We had to try out, with the superheroes, and then Clank had to run away from the, evil guys because he was a defect, blah, blah, blah. We met each other, I repaired his leg, and yeah, so now we just kind of trying to stop the evil people. Oh, I forgot I had a gun. Licky. Actually hit me though. Yeah. Oh. I'm on you. Oh, one hit with the wrench? Okay. Alright. Break some of this good stuff up, you know how we do. Do I have grenades? I have them on me. Oh wait, gotta switch it. That's why. Alright. Oh, ooh, straight missed that one. Aha, I didn't miss you that time. Can I make that? Ooh. Let's go. Moving, we moving. Get all the goodies out here. We get all of them. Smashing boxes. Y'all know how we do. Oh. You see? That hardcore parkour right there. Oh, exits. Oh, my. Come on now. I'm nasty with this. I'm nasty. Stop. You can't stop me. So you must. Oh, stop. Hey, how y'all keep coming back?
Who's gonna save us now?
What's up, homie?
Oh, hello there. I'm glad you're here. I've been. Hey, have we met before? Because I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drax's forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Well, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those Blarg soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello there.
I'm
Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries.
Tall.
Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming. So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you.
Drek Industries is not working for you.
Damn.
I see you're having a little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready to fly.
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe?
Why are we gonna do the same?
Well, it does look like the fastest way down. Let's give it a shot.
Not yet, because, no. Collectibles first. All right, let's go. Oh, oh. Oh, oh.
That was awesome. Want to do it again?
Alright, hold on. 'Cause I definitely didn't even check this out. Oh. Ah, okay. Upgrade.
Here's where you pick your weapon. Let me walk you through the process with one of mine.
Okay. Tutorializer.
You're gonna need raritanium for this stuff, but we'll use some of mine for now. All you gotta do is pick one of them cells. These things chain together. Go ahead and fill out the whole chain. Alright, just confirm the transaction in the deal. Hey, you surrounded a mystery cluster. Now that's gonna give you a big boost. That's all there is to it. Give it a spin on one of your own.
Okay. Oh no, it's so much. Hold on. Hey, okay, okay. What is that? The proton drum? I ain't really trying to upgrade none. I'm trying to. Oh, wait, hold on. Rate of fire. Oh, more ammo. Confirm.
Isn't raritanium awesome?
Alright, that's nice. I wanna buy me a new gat though.
Yes. Oh, I just might make my quota this week.
Alright, cool.
Enjoy your new proton drum.
Hey. Look at him. He's like a little devil. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Alright, let's fuck
Looks like Mayor Bunkwash is in trouble. We'll fix your ship in a bit, but right now he needs your help.
Whoa, that is a lot of bad guys.
Ooh, darn blog.
Attention, citizens. You may have noticed we are in the midst of a
Oh, snap.
insignificant incident. We are working hard to contact the cause so we can find a peaceful resolution. But until they return our calls,
Ow.
it's probably best to remain.
Hey, back it up. Lag brain, you gotta know what it is. Don't touch me. I don't want to waste it on you. Oh, I missed. That time. Hey, back it up. Thank you kindly. All right. Let's do it. Oh, no, you didn't. Get him. Oh, they're not close enough, but they will be. Yes, sir. I don't know who's shooting at me. I don't really like it. I think, is it you, homie? Is that you shooting at me, partner? Oh, yeah, get on down here. Back up.
Hey, that's a Cora Verlac statue. She's the youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Rangers.
Your invasion of this sector. I don't want to suggest that you are avoiding us, but just in case, check your messages. There are quite a few
Ow.
waiting for you.
Oh, y'all don't want none of this. Back it up. I know some goodies over here. Yes, sir. Get all the more money. I don't say mooney. Give me all the mooney. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh my goodness. Alright. Enough.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Uh-oh. Hey, level up. Damage enemies to increase your weapon level. Each new level opens new raritanium upgrades. Sorry, reading hard.
I doubt that's the last of them.
Where's the health at? I guess not. Alright, we're gonna just rock it then. Oh, not y'all messing up the bridge I'm trying to cross now. Oh no! Okay. Who?
Attention, Lord. We still have not heard back from you regarding this unfortunate situation. I thought it might be technically difficulties on our side, so I picked up the phone to make sure I had a dial tone. Then I had a friend call me from a neighboring line, just to be sure there's a
Get 'em.
service interruption. Everything
Get 'em.
on our side, so when you get a moment...
Oh no, I'm not gonna make it. Alright, now rush that so I get this health right here. Thank you. Oh! I'm getting a little too close to your boy. I'm a little too close now. Let's see.
Oh dear, more of them.
That must be the mayor's ship.
This is a transmission for the Galactic Rangers. Please, assistance. This is Admiral Buckwash, mayor of the Pro-Blood Spacer of Novalis.
Mayor Buckwash will not last long without our help.
Get out here. Oh, level up. That's what I needed. I'll fight you in the sky. Oh, smack. I thought somebody was behind that. My mistake. Alright, alright. Is that close enough? Yeah. Yes, it is. Ow. Bitch. Hey. Back up. Ouch. F off me. Nope. What? Whipping my shots. What is it, Call of Duty? Hey! Ow. That's enough out of you.
Hello? Is it safe to come out?
Thank you. I thought we were done for sure.
We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skid McMarks. Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder? He sent
Skid
me this info on from
McMarks?
Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since. Here, take a look.
Man, could have been skid marks, bro.
Hey,
Come on
Uncle
now.
Blackwash, Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy, is this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematics!
Help! Someone, call my agent, call my publicist. Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me. I don't want to die.
Oh, Lord.
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in trouble. We gotta get to Iridia.
Agreed. But we must first repair our ship.
Oh, you did it. Thanks for saving the sector, friend. Now come on back and we'll see about fixing that ship.
Cool.
Attention,
Sound like a
citizens.
plan to me.
Your mayor is safe and sound. I was rescued by a furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10 to 10:30.
This may not even work. How do I get back? Only this was the way.
Hey,
Man, got them bunnies though. Maybe what's the way back? Alright, hold on. Oh, I gotta get up there. Oh wait, I think I'm supposed to step on that. I'm slow. I'm sorry, y'all. Just stuck on this. Yep. Foolish me. Overthinking stuff. Booyah.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber. Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
This man making up shit.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Oh shit. Ah, that's where he knew him from. That's funny. Alright, let's enter the ship real quick.
Not only could they set their new destination, each planet came annotated with fun things to do, courtesy of the Freeloaders Galactic Almanac.
Fun. They said Iridia, right?
Wait, is that skid marks up ahead?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is all the time we have for today's video. This has been part 2 of Ratchet and Clank, the 2016 version. Let me go ahead and pause because you keep talking. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, leave a like and a comment down below, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when the next video drops. It's been real. I appreciate everybody that's been tuning in, and I hope to see you guys next time.